But say, what color is your sucker?
Purple.
Did you like getting candy trick-or-treating, Quinn? You did? What about you, Zoe? Did you like getting candy trick-or-treating? You did? What color is your sucker?
Red.
Red. And are you enjoying it? It tastes good? What? You want to press the button? Well, we're still videotaping. Is there anything you can tell of the video? Do you like Halloween?
Yeah.
Do you like pumpkins?
Yeah.
Can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Quinn, can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy
Look at all those pumpkins.
Good
you guys
job.
got going.
Look at all the pumpkins.
Halloween.
The cute one.
Cute ones.
It's definitely very festive in here. Anything else to say, Quinny?
Purple one.
A purple one, yeah. And what's this? What is it? Itsy? Zoe, do you have anything else to say?
Sugar.
Sucker! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.